One fish on here, I'm pretty sure it's channel. They moved on me. There's one, he's squaring up to it. Come on, hit that. You know you want it. Shit. What the fuck just happened there? Ah, it's a channel. Not a bad one though. I was kind of getting frustrated. I had about 6 of them come right off it. I don't think he's very big. They just fight. There he's coming up. I wouldn't mind keeping one. Probably not though. Need to get some blues. Need to get off the bottom and get on the edge. Yeah, he's coming up now. Might be a little bigger channel cat than I thought though. Yeah, it's not bad, but it's a channel. Come on, one more time here. Get in there. All right, I gotta get into some blues here. Not bad though.